Jeffrey? What are you doing, Jeffrey?
Tuning the giant engine.
See what engine? Come on. 4G15 in a jet in an engine stand. The fuck, Jeffrey? Jerry, what your words on Jeffrey's doing what his work?
Film lah.
Huh?
Building in junk. Everything.
So today we got another view. So we're going to change oil seal for my car. No lah, we're going to put MAXXECU for my Vira. So previously we put a bigger turbo, bigger injector, bigger this and that. We cannot tune the car properly. So sometimes okay, sometimes not okay. So I fell up with it. So I bought MAXXECU. So later I'll show you the stuff. Okay, so we're in Jeffrey's house. See what he doing. See what he doing. Come on, man. Come on, man. 4G15 engine stand, bro. See, in his house. Hey, Jeffrey. Something good. Tell me what happened to the engine, huh?
Engine nothing happened.
Huh? Nothing happened. Saga BOT. Then he blown the engine. He freaking, not he blown the engine, Jerry blown the engine, right?
Yes.
So now this is the replacement engine. Huh? So he bought the jack stand for 390 to just stand his engine like this to show he's doing professional work. Jeffrey. So guys, so this is the Vira. So you can see we're going to put MAXXECU K20 coil. Let me show you stuff in a while. So I fed up with it already because I'm using AFC 5 button. Still cannot tune properly because I don't know, maybe the turbo too big because I'm using RB25 turbo, so it's quite big for this engine. So you saw the head, we took out the head and we changed to a different head because this head already conked. So my fuel is, I'm using 97, so you can see it's red color because the previous owner, I bought the car from the pot and polish like shit ass pot and polish. So I have brand new head, distributor. I'm not using distributor today. So this is the MAXXECU. So we got some heat shrink, a smaller heat shrink, and K20 coil, and MAXXECU. So this is the MAXXECU. So let's see the product. Not sponsored. So MAXXECU Mini, it's called Mini. That's the only thing I can afford. So they give you a wiring harness, some instruction, some MAXXECU quick guide, and then the ECU. So I thought the ECU is quite big, but actually it's just small, quite small. Look at that. This is the ECU. This is the out for the map sensor. How many bar? 3 bar, I think, not mistaken. This is the ECU. So they give them some USB cable for tuning. So we're going to start doing MAXXECU. So I'll show you in a while what we did in the engine bay. So this is the inside of the engine bay. So same setup, same turbo, same manifold, same intake injector. We use MAXXECU 275. Cam, standard stock cam, and then this is the thing, we delete the distributor and putting what car is this? Video 1.5 cam angle sensor. So we still have same thing, the regulator all stop, internal stop, everything stop. Just have to, we just want to put management for more power. So you don't want to use, you was using around 0.5 boost, right? So I want to up the boost and up the tuning so I have no issues like breaking a piston and burning the head gasket again and again. Fed up with it already. So that's nothing new with this car. So update on the car is like still same, front face Evo 3. We did something on the back. So we put as you can see, Evo wing and Evo splitters, so back splitters. So we already done the back. I do it myself. So you can let me open the boot. because this is my first time. Jeffrey, open the boot. First time doing Evo convert. Mostly learning step lah, but I do it wrongly. So there, I just sambung back everything, so it's potong, cut, and welding lah. I do it wrongly actually. If you other guys will do it nicely, but I do it myself so I can save costs. So nothing new about the body part. Almost Evo. Just a fender have to change. So have to open the wiring harness completely from the car, and then start doing wiring. And then show you how later. Maybe can start, maybe cannot start, maybe no. This is my first time doing MAXXECU wiring, so I want to try. So let's see. So guys, wiring harness is out. The ECU. The wiring harness is right behind there. It's a pain in the ass to pick up. Focus. There's the wiring. ECU out. Have to open the condenser. Now, this is my main problem. Crankshaft oil seal. It's under here, so been leaking for a few days, so I have to do it now. So see. So okay guys, so the engine, my oil seal just changed. Timing belt done. K20 coil pack. So later maybe I'll do a bracket, say like that, to cover the heat from going to the coil. So we got the wiring harness, MAXXECU. So you can see every cable there's a label. Let me see if you can concentrate now. You can see engine ground, right? And this one is MAXXECU trigger and all this HLP and the rest. So this is the old wiring harness. So we're just going to take few socket from here, like my injector socket. This is the injector socket, total body socket, and that's all lah. And some earth wire and all that stuff. Just a pin, and then the crank trigger. We're using video crank trigger, so we're not using crank, we're using cam. And then the rest is the temperature. I need to do another set of wiring, go to another socket for the meter to work. So K20 coil, engine all done, wiring harness, headache. So once I'm doing the wiring one by one, I'll show you guys somehow which is injector, which is this, which is that. Okay, see you. Alright, so K20 coil all wire up. Very simple actually. Simple, but cannot, don't know lah, 50% lah. So this is the wiring harness, so small compared to that. Injector, VPS, coil, map sensor inside, right? Yeah. So this is the wiring harness, go until inside. So we still got a lot of wiring for like 2-step or launch control. This one is the for coil. So this is the wiring harness. This is the socket pin, only one small pin. Where's the ECU? ECU. Okay, there's the ECU. So you're going to install ECU right now and see how. Let's see you guys see how. I also don't know how on the fix. Let me show you. Plug in the MAXXECU. Oh shit. Okay. Plug into MAXXECU already. So this is the power to supply the MAXXECU. So see, after that we see how we tune the car. I need to find one laptop first right now. Okay. Alright. So guys, so I got something to say. So that day you can see this video. We put the MAXXECU, we done the wiring and everything. K20 coil, fire got, injector got, everything all alright. But the thing is, I don't know how to tune my laptop yet. So I need to learn how to tune my laptop. So right now, you can see my car is running right now without MAXXECU. So maybe in the future I'll send to the Aboy garage to just do my car straight away, wire it up and dyno tune and everything. So you can see I put back the night now. I'm using my stock harness back and ECU. So because MAXXECU we took out. So we can see here, still using 5 button Fs.